How's it going, everyone? February 16th, Merch by Amazon sales update. I'll get right into it. So, yesterday, I started noticing things like this. So, as you can see, 6 sales in Germany today so far. So, I woke up this morning and I checked my account and it just looked like European marketplace was looking different. Like the number of sales was like pretty it was different than usual. So anyways, I was checking things out and I noticed that there was one product, and I mentioned it in my last video, started selling. But by the end of the day, when I checked this morning, let me just actually do yesterday to show you guys. This is what happened. So 14 sales in Germany, and I can't remember, I think it was I think 12 of these were the same product. So my total yesterday, as you can see here, 20. So that's what's happening. What happened that's a little different than usual. And for you guys that have been watching for a while, my sales completely dropped, and if I was getting daily sales of even 10 in total, it was actually like a better day, right? If we were talking about last year, October, November, that wasn't the case. However, this is what happened yesterday. So that was great. So I was like, okay, what's going on? Maybe it's like a fluke or whatever. So anyways, let me show you guys the last 2 days. So this is including today. So 15th and the 16th. So far, 35 sales in the last 2 days. As you can see, 20 in Germany altogether, and 10 in the US, which is, I don't think this has ever happened, that there was such a big difference between two marketplaces. But between two marketplaces, meaning like one random one versus US. If I was to look at the whole month, now the numbers have actually jumped significantly, because in total I just cracked 100, I think, a couple days ago, but now it's jumped much more. But the thing is, US sales are, of course, still destroying everything else, but this is quickly adding up, and today is nowhere near over, and most of my German sales actually came in after midnight here in the Eastern time, standard time, and then I know that Germany is in 6 hours ahead of us. So I think today is actually going to continue whatever happened yesterday, and I'm actually curious to see how long it's going to go. I've had certain products take off, and when it kind of reaches its like peak, and it really picks up momentum. I remember last year in November, it's actually 2 years ago, so 2020 November, I had a product, one day sales just jumped to 12 or something like that in one day. Then the following day was something like 20, and then by the time it got to like 30, something happened, and then they went back to normal sales. But this is the German marketplace, so I really don't know what's going to happen. I really this is the first time that it's actually happened with the marketplace that isn't the US marketplace. So basically what I'm trying to say is I don't know what's going to happen, right? So we'll see. So I'll keep you guys posted. This is exciting. So far, 100. Let me actually see this month. Yeah, 133 sales, which is amazing. And then actually US sales are just staying steady. As you can see, five sales, but at least I don't have those once anymore, or even the fear of a 0 day, which I think I had in January. So overall, there is momentum for sure. Right now I have 15 sales today so far, and then what was it? Yeah, I just looked at this number. I already forgot. And yesterday, I had 20. So 2 days so far, 35, which is amazing. So we'll see how the day ends. But you know, I'll definitely take 20 or 25 sales a day anytime. It doesn't matter to me that it's Germany or any other marketplace, you know, because I'm still making money. Anyways, I'll wrap it up here. Thanks, guys. I'll talk to you soon.